Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel again. So in this video, we will guide you through the process of troubleshooting and fixing the Ethernet connectivity issue on your Lenovo ThinkPad docking station. So we understand the frustration that arises when your Ethernet connection stop working, but why not as we have got you covered. So step by step tutorial, we walk you through the some necessary troubleshooting step and ensuring that you can quickly resolve the problem and get your Ethernet connection up and running again. So stay tuned and learn how to fix the Lenovo ThinkPad docking station Ethernet not working issue like a pro. Device man. First, you have to Window plus X and select Device Manager from the menu. Then click on the Network Adapter tab and now look for the Lenovo USB Ethernet device. First, and then right click on the Lenovo USB Ethernet adapter. Then after you have to select properties. In the property list, find the select idle power saving mode. So change the value in the drop down menu of to disable, then click OK to save changes and then restart your computer. Check if the Ethernet connection is stable. In solution 2, you have to take power cycle ThinkPad dock. If solution first not working, you have to take in a solution 2. Disconnect the Ethernet cable from the dock Ethernet port, then remove the power cable from the ThinkPad dock to completely power it down. And now leave it the dock without power for at least 30 seconds to a couple of minutes to ensure it's reset. Then plug the power cable back into the dock and now you have to reset the Ethernet cable into the dock's Ethernet port and attach the dock to your laptop using the USB-C or Thunderbolt cable. So verify if the Ethernet port is now functioning correctly. In solution 3, you have to update or install Ethernet driver. Now you have to press Window plus X and choose Device Manager. Then locate the Ethernet adapter and under Network Adapter. So right click the adapter and select Adapter Drive update driver, then choose search automatically for updated driver software. If updating doesn't work, right click the red button again and now select uninstall driver, then restart your laptop to auto reinstall the driver. After the laptop reboot, then test the Ethernet connection. So in solution 4, you have to adjust your BIOS setting in your Lenovo ThinkPad. First, you have to restart your Lenovo ThinkPad and press F1 or appreciate key to enter the BIOS setup during boot up. And now you have to use the arrow key to go to the configure tab, then find and select the Thunderbolt 4 option within the menu, and now you have to locate PCI turning name and changes to disable. Now press F10 to save the changes and exit the bio. So allow your ThinkPad to reboot and check if the Ethernet issue is resolved. In solution 5, you have to reconnect your USB-C cable. First, you have to unplug the USB-C cable connecting and the dock to your ThinkPad. Then wait for about 10 seconds. And now plug the USB-C cable dock into your dock. Verify if the Ethernet connection is functioning. So these are the simple solutions you have to take in when you see your Lenovo ThinkPad docking station not connecting properly. So thank you for watching our video, and we will catch you in our next video. I hope you like it.